If you're overwhelmed by debt, there's a simple, powerful strategy to help you regain control and achieve financial freedom. It's called the Debt Snowball Plan, and in just a few steps, you'll discover how to pay off your debts faster than you ever imagined. Start by listing all your debts, smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Include credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, everything. Next to each debt, write down the total amount owed and the minimum monthly payment. Now focus all your energy on the smallest debt. Pay as much extra money as you can toward this one while continuing to make minimum payments on the others. The goal is to eliminate it quickly. Once the smallest debt is paid off, take the amount you were paying and add it to the minimum payment of the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect. With each debt paid off, the money available to tackle the next one grows, making the process faster and more motivating. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your plan and avoid taking on new debt. Even if it feels like progress is slow at first, every payment brings you closer to freedom. The Debt Snowball Plan works because it builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Each success is a step closer to living without the weight of debt. Start today by listing your debts and commit to taking that first step. Financial freedom is within your reach.